Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we will be talking about a challenge. I will challenge Aurora Wolf to a crazy run challenge in PKXD. So don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell button so you don't miss any new videos from my channel. Okay, so let's get on the video. So here, I'll explain the rules. So first, for example, I'm third place. And then Aurora Wolf has to beat me. Like for example, she is second place. So that means she wins. And that is the challenge. So I will see who is first. I think I'm gonna be second here. Okay, so I'm third place. Aurora Wolf has to beat my score, and then if she's lower than my score, then I win. If she's higher than my score, then she wins. So that is how to play. I hope you can make it. I hope you can do this challenge, Aurora Wolf. Bye, guys!